Hey folks, it's got a nice clean little International traded in here. DT466 6-speed manual transmission, synchronized, air ride rear suspension with locking differential, dual fuel tanks. It's got the big truck tires, got low pro 22.5s in the front, tall 24.5s on the back to give a little more road speed. This actually was one of my personal trucks a number of years ago. Made numerous trips to Arizona. And at the extended cab, you got room for passengers, got a bench seat in the back. At the time I owned it, I put in these air ride seats with back massagers in it. Got the electric brake controller in there. Got the short flatbed with the headache rack. It's got the tunnel for the gooseneck ball, large pintle hitch receiver, and then also the large tube receiver there. This thing will haul and pull anything. Air ride suspension, and it's a small little truck.